Hi. After activating the Salesforce critical updates, we need to change in the remote site settings. Uh, we have to change that remote site's URL for metadata. I think its name is changed in production. I'll just show it how to we can change it. So before activating critical updates, we have Salesforce instance name is here, and this visual force is named as visual.force. So this is the change in remote site URL for our metadata. Okay, the another change is DocuSign is SubDC SOAP API. So here we have to remove that instance name, and another one is DocuSign API. So this is not in partial, but it's present in product. Okay. So one more thing we have to do is we have to go in QuickBook, My Apps. This is the developer API. So in that we have created the apps. We have to choose that we are using for our Salesforce. So we are using FSM Dev for partial sandbox. Go to settings, go to keys, and here we need to update this redirect URI. So it's this URI is a callback URL. We have one callback page. So so you can copy this URL likewise, and paste it here in redirect URI. I think there is a only one URI in our production, so just change that URI. And one more thing, we have to confirm that we are this webhook URL. So for that webhook URL, we have to go in the sites and copy this URL and paste it before services. It was not changed uh, after activating critical updates in partial. So we have not suggested that to change, but just confirm that this URL is same as this site URL. Thank you.